received calls from people very close to me, and my attention has been drawn to social media commentary on some portions of the comments I made this past Thursday during the Supernatural Empowerment Summit here in the Dome, as I spoke on divine protection that we as Christians enjoy from God, and was teaching on the need to activate divine protection from demonic attacks. This is one of our cardinal principles of faith as charismatic Christians. And to drive home my point, I made reference to several instances where I've encountered manifestations of demonic powers in my crusades, which have taken me to over 90 nations of the world, in fact 92 of them. Amen. I gave an example of people who were seeking to levitate during a crusade in India. I gave an example of a demonic attack I suffered as a very young pastor who had gone to preach at a bus stop around Kolebu. In reference to Nogokpo, I wish to clarify that I never intended to refer to the town, but rather make reference to an incident that happened after a crusade at Aflao. I had absolutely no intention to cast a slur upon the people of the Nogokpo town and the Volta region as a whole. Amen. I've had very cordial relationship with the people of the Volta region. My wife of 38 years is in fact an away from Keta. Two of my biological children bear away names. So none of, yes, if you are clapping, do it well. So none of the examples was intended to denigrate any of the towns and their people, but rather to elucidate the principle of divine protection to my congregants. So any misrepresentation or misinformation that has characterized the subsequent commentary and reportage on social media, etc., is very unfortunate. My ministry over the past 40 years has been one that has spoken up at critical times in our nation as a spiritual gatekeeper, and I remain committed to serving God's people and our nation as the Spirit directs. God bless you. Amen.
Oh my, so what you Asare Agyin Asare, opening order and a founder and leader Emma Asare, even Paris International Church. Sure, met me say a Christopher, ye na ye Christopher. Ye a Christopher, ye pa na ye nyachum, ye pa na adie biano, ye company se enye. Nesu de ye si enye no ye enpom mumu na ye no ye. O Christo ni bia e believe say Asare nko na ye good. A Christopher e condemn Muslim for, a Christopher e condemn Abusum a Christopher e condemn Hindu for, a Christopher e condemn with India for, a Christopher e condemn Bibia. Now so they are the evil people. Oh, just say a Christopher, they are the most evil people in the world. But at the same time, you know, they are always condemning people. How much I say a Christopher na de bia on person say nyamsum ko na ye usum nyakopo usum we Muslim ne dia ene unko heaven. We are Hindu Nidia Uncle Heaven. We are Indian Nidia Uncle Heaven. We are Muslim near Uncle Heaven. Usum Busum Uncle Heaven. This is Usum Yaminqua. And yes, Yamina, yes, my Yensum ye. Say ya now or so for I could say ye. They will condemn all the religious. Say only Christianity in Kwane. Which I say, but yes, any bonnet. Ghana a software or more deep bonnet, including on no. What I said, say, oh, Casse, and the Gokuno, and one a demon city. Born dog to say this. On my message, whom Yaba to whom the Emuda, young for any dear Emma Bia, on your coupon, Abosom Suma, Yakonacopono, and Cow or shall say condemn. Bosom, I won't for some Emma Binomo. So wo na enya for so ma enka ho asem se be otwedi ampo jade krampo no wantimi an condemn se we nya nti na enko dabi odo bi afiri amaye odo bi ahye ama no onfo so obi a ye de tene ye de ofi se wo yi a ebobo ye ba me ko condemn se on se na no eyi nika wo just see an emre bi Archbishop Duncan William similar thing against Muslim people. Duncan William similar thing against Muslim people. No buy no patch. The same thing was working. Muslim, you can have nothing. You guys are powerless. Preaching you guys, you guys are making a lot of money with that taxing you guys. What you say? A business they are doing. Now no some Christianka also in a bar every single night. Says he has a never someone no free more and the banner be the idea. And you who the banner the banner is similar like the papa no. Just saying papa and your business are there now no on to this so ni wa we emedi ade and as ya hu se ne ba ne yiri na eye asori so ube hu asori no a umu sa asori sandboard no na ono ene ne yiri asif say asafuma no obi eni ho a all this ka eba enti say kata so no ye business amunti ase wo just say ebi no afa so as a business o my bogus and you know say your business at the same time who say e condemn me say we mu de enye we me fu nyame wo de na fu nyame o dia o say afu nyame kwa boni amodi e wase no akro no amobon mo amuntua amuntua tax e ma ban no e na mo wi amonfo e na asafo no e diskane pa no de enyema kesen no mo nya ade bia ebe benefit o man Ghana no e na business nkwa na mo no mu ye unko ka o say Nogokpo eye demon region what you say he must be punished say no when no ho e ti ofisi asema wo kan Nyakopo na ka de kan ade na tia no ho abonte na o ba pacha ofisi asema wo kan ho nkonko na ma wo kan ya ade na wo ba abonte na o ba pacha o ma nyeba bi o wa we need to be fair don't condemn other religions don't condemn it who dey na ugidi afa enti who so chem say enti we are so Muslim for be no oboko heavy ana akiso for e menja hypocrite na ye no yen jai say ye attack other regions no enti no akiso for nkwa na oboko heavy ana enti Muslim for ko heaven omo enko aso enko heaven India for so enko heaven e kro a ye akiso for man sa ko no na sabi ehia e wo ho mo oba ye West Africa anoma Nigeria ni Ghana e ho na Christopher ngu mo e ho so na bonu so edu so ho no mo e ho so na poor so e ho mo what you say ye hwe India a ye ka se omumpo ensu nyame ye hwe China mpo ye fi se omumpo emu ensu nyame kwa mo hwe how their country is moving hwe Germany ye nso mo ye Christopher ba omu enye ne se bia se de ye no what you say ya no fo we mu oh dabi